Hello everyone, this is Amber from Lvxin Packaging. We are specializing in moldable packaging designing and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a new packaging. It is produced by wet pressing process and made from sugarcane paper material. We use a biodegradable material which can completely evaporate and degrade within 3 months. The color of the paper tray is the original color of the raw material. Because our paper tray is zero pollution, zero emission, and the wastewater can be reused. Let's look at the paper tray. One side has mesh texture, and the other side is smoother. We design each product from your sample, so the glue fit perfectly. On the paper tray, we can customize any logo for you. If you are interested in this product and you have required, just feel free to contact us. We are offering the free design software and free sampling. Bye bye.